All right, here it is, the unboxing. Everybody likes an unboxing video, right? So I have two big packages to unbox. Maybe that gives you a hint of what it is. And this will be the last video of the parts of the bike build. So you guys know what the next one is, the actual build. Let's just get to the unboxing because for some reason everybody likes to watch these unboxing videos. Test sample. Not sure what that means. So there it is. Carbon fiber over alloy track rim. So what is this? Yes, this is a Chinese carbon, I guess if you want to call it. Talked to a guy a couple times, found him through Alibaba, and I did not want to get straight carbon rims for a couple of reasons. I'm not a big fan of the braking noise it makes with the carbon pads, so I wanted a carbon rim, but with an alloy brake surface for two reasons. One, for the noise that I just mentioned, and two, because if I had any concerns about Chinese carbon wheel, this would put my mind at ease, meaning I know it has a alloy, which we'll call it metal track. So it's pretty light. I see no defects at all. So I didn't necessarily ask for the Vision graphics on this, but I did tell him that I wanted black and white. Sorry, black and red, because I told him that's the color scheme. So he chose Vision, which I like. These are the aero spokes, the flat aero spokes. And one thing I did choose that's differently, when a lot of guys order Chinese carbon rims, they get the Novatech hubs. I'm not a big fan of the Novatech for a couple of reasons. They're heavy and they're really loud. Some guys upgrade to what they call Powerway, which is another Chinese upgraded hub. The Powerways also have a carbon version. Actually, he offered me these and I like these. They're called Chosen, so I got Chosen hubs. Chosen is a big hub manufacturer out of Taiwan. Actually supply hubs for a lot of different bike manufacturers. I like the look of them. You know, they're solid. They roll smooth. They came in, hopefully they can see that. So the Chosen rim. And there you go, the hub. So that's the front. So here you go, the rear. Again, Chosen, 11 speed. Let's see what it sounds like. Everybody wants to know what it sounds like. And it's kind of loud. Yeah, that's loud. Probably louder than I like it to be. Oh well, probably a little louder, but it's a good looking rim. Good graphics job. And nice hubs. So there you go, a set of rims. I will throw them on the scale and let you know what these guys weigh before I forget. And like everybody else, you've seen this in every other build video. You get extra spokes. You get the skewers. Man, these are beefy skewers. Beefy. So, man, these look like the Dores ones. They're beefy. Anyway, beefy skewers. 2 sets of brake pads, which I am not going to use because I'm going to use my Shimano brake pads. And then odds and ends, some spoke ends, some bolts, and 2 valve extenders, skewers. Let me go throw these on the scale and see what these suckers weigh as well. So that's it, the unboxing of the rims. Also, I went out and bought my Valvert tubes. Valvert high performance air tubes. Reason why I bought these extra is I wanted the 80mm length. Make sure you get the extra long valvert. 18 to 25. And big box number 2. Again, test sample. Are they really sending me test samples? Oh, look at this. Look at this. What else is in here? That's it. Oh. Let's see what we got here. I've been waiting for this for so long. So let's check out. The forks first. As I've alluded to already, and I went aero. So look at that. These are some deep aero forks. Deep aero forks. So I went with just a plain. I wanted no design. This is plain UD carbon, but I should probably weigh these. But they seem pretty light. Nice. That's the aero seat post. Very nice, smooth, clean. 1 bolt seat holder. And last but not least, the whole freaking roll of tape on this thing. Free roll of tape when you buy a bike frame. There it is. What do you guys think? Aero bike frame. Yeah, it's in good condition. Just that right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. A couple dimples, scratches in the carbon right there, which I will let them know about. There you go. So carbon frame, carbon wheels, as you can see. All the parts are basically here. On top of this, this came with a headset. It came with some other pieces. I'm not even sure what they are. Oh, I'm sure it's the seat clamp. But that's it. Next video will be the bike build. So hopefully you guys will stick around and come back and watch that video. And then the final video will be after I take it for a couple rides and tell you what I think about the bike overall. So till the next time, guys. See ya. Wow.